were supposed to do something different. We had the trip planned, we had the flight booked, we had done the research. And then Michael had a different idea. So we are on our way to Galveston, and normally when we're on our way to Galveston, we're boarding a Royal Caribbean cruise, but today we are doing something a little bit different. We're boarding a Carnival cruise. So come with us on the Carnival Breeze.
We have made it aboard the Carnival Breeze. Boarding process was a little bit slow. We had the 10:30 to 11 o'clock slot. A lot of other people appeared to have that slot as well, but we made it through. We're going to try and find some food. Apparently there is lunch on the Lido deck, so we're going to try and figure that out, and then check out the ship.
So I'm not even sure where we're at. Somewhere on the Lido deck. But found some food, and I got the buffalo chicken sandwich, some fries. Couldn't find the burger. That's usually what I get on Embarkation Day, but this looks decent. So we finally figured out this place is called the Marketplace on the Lido deck. So we're confused.
Yeah, there's a lot going on right now. Not used to this environment.
Yeah, it looks like Claire got a salad.
It was right around the corner. And they had gluten-free bread sitting out, so with its own tongs. So it's pretty good.
That's nice. My buffalo chicken sandwich actually was pretty good. So
it's not bad.
Still disappointed I didn't find
holy.
my burger. It's pretty holy.
It's good. It has good taste.
So yeah, we're lost on the Carnival right now. We gotta figure it out though. Claire's super happy right now.
We were walking through the marketplace. There's the cake area. And I was just thinking like, oh, there's something for me. There was a gluten-free cake.
Yeah. So
looks
she's
pretty
pretty
good.
pumped about that.
Let's see.
She's like, why don't you go get me one? It's like,
I didn't
okay.
say it like that.
Okay, it was a little bit nicer than that.
It's a little bit nicer.
I got some kind of custard tart thing. I don't know, it was right next to the gluten-free cake, so it's like, all right. Well,
It's good.
tastes like a real legit cake.
Well, it's been about 7 years since I've had a legit cake. So.
A legit gluten-free cake.
A legit gluten cake. It's very good. I would get that again.
So one thing that we noticed is it was easy to find a place to sit, right?
A lot of open tables.
In the marketplace. And it's also broken up too. Not like wide open.
Yeah.
Just like
Very
the other.
different than Carnival.
Yeah. So
Like tons of places to sit. So
just good.
it's a nice lunch experience.
Yeah. Well, we ate. We had a drink. We walked around. Now we're trying to find a room.
Item of note, the Cheers package on Carnival. If you go out of Texas or New York, the Cheers package does not apply to day one. So you have to pay out of pocket.
Yeah, so we ended up getting doubles and had to pay for it. Cards. Either way, we got our luggage already, which is nice.
That's outside our room.
Hey, our door's decorated. Not really. It has a finish.
We have different colors.
Mm. We're trying to bring our bags in at the same time.
Small area. Ow. That's why the bags need to be inside.
They should put the bags inside.
All right. My toe hurts, but all right. Pretty standard. Bed. Sure, the couch pulls out to be a bed. Oh, hey, we can watch the new Royal Caribbean terminal from our balcony when we sail away.
Oh, and all the bikers.
Yeah, Lone Star Bike Rally's going on. All right. I think we got a little spoiled on our last cruise with that huge junior suite with the huge balcony.
Oh, yeah, this is a standard balcony.
Yeah.
So,
It's a room. It'll do. Has a nice balcony. We've got beach towels already. That's a good idea.
look at that.
We don't have
That's
to
cool.
go and check them out. What is this?
What? That?
Yeah.
I don't know. Hey, what's in the
Unpack.
box?
Oh, maybe it's a bed protector to unpack. I don't know.
What's this thing?
I don't know. Oh, it's for the drink package.
Oh, those. Wow. What is that?
The,
Wine?
Yeah, the metal stainless steel wine cups.
Oh, they give you steel?
Isn't that what these
Metal?
are? Stainless steel? We've already changed our table because they put us at a table for 6.
No. It was a table for 8.
Well, I thought he said 6 at first, and then he was like, and then we asked for a table for 8, or for a table for 2, and his response was, well, I have a table for 8. We're like, we need a table for 2.
We're going the wrong direction.
We're going to have a camera.
Yeah. Hey, unless they want to be famous too. I didn't get anything out of that.
Oh, this is from Carrie. It's not because of the drink package.
Huh? Really?
This says this gift is compliments of Carrie. Thank you, Carrie. The magic for less travel. This is awesome.
Cool.
It makes so much more sense now.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thanks, Carrie. All right, what's the rest of the room?
Got a little TV.
TV here.
Um,
Water
this
you gotta pay
is
for.
Water to pay for, $4.
What's down there? Is that
Do we
the-
have a mini fridge?
cooler?
A cooler.
Okay, so I guess standard balcony comes with a cooler.
A little chair for the vanity. A single European outlet, 2 American outlets.
Okay.
A phone. Hair dryer. Are there tissues in here? No. But there are linen bags. Get this out of the way.
It's nice that we already got those.
Okay, some shelves.
Okay, it's good storage.
Hanging storage with our life jackets.
Which we already did our muster drill right when we got on.
Yes.
So that was good.
More life jackets, more hanging. And
Hey, we finally get a room that you have to put a card in for the
I don't
lights.
understand the point because they give you.
They
a
already give
card.
you a different.
They give you a fake card to put in there. Ooh. My first time with a curtain on a cruise ship.
Interesting. Claire's gonna flood this place.
Oh my gosh. Toilet. An extra mirror.
That's good.
Nice width of the vanity. Here's the tissues. Some storage.
So, this shower's not that small. At least you get shampoo and shower gel.
With no conditioner. Not even a 3-in-1. Interesting. Precaution against scalding before using the shower.
Huh.
And of course the lights on the outside.
Just don't look at the hair.
And that's the room.
So we took a nap. What else we do? We took a nap.
We were woken up by the safety briefing.
Oh yeah, the safety briefing was loud. But what else?
We had the safety briefing. We watched the sail away from the balcony.
We saw the new Royal Caribbean port
And now we're here.
at the.
Alchemy Bar.
We're at the Alchemy Bar. Pretty cool place. We got these. What are these? Cucumber sunrise. Tastes good.
Yeah.
So I just found out that alchemy is what now? Like
Well, I need to like Google search this.
like a pharmaceutical thingy.
Yeah, it's a pharmaceutical term.
So the bartenders actually wear what are they called? Golly.
The medieval forerunner of chemistry, based on the supposed transformation of
Huh. So yeah, pretty cool place. But drinks look good though.
You don't have to work
Spicy
too hard.
chipotle.
Yeah, but I wouldn't call it Chipotle.
It's more pineapple.
It's like a pineapple margarita
Yeah,
with the jalapeno metal.
yeah.
I like it.
It's really good. So it like I don't know. It gets you in the back of your throat, or at least me. It does for me.
Well, the funny thing is, I wanted like a spicy margarita, and then he said this.
It's a spicy margarita, pineapple-ish.
Yeah, he said this Chipotle something. I was like, yeah, that sounds great.
One thing that I really like about the Alchemy Bar, and on the other side of the ship, is like there's this outdoor patio. So, which is really cool. It's really nice that you have an outdoor space connected to
Yeah. Quick
a
access
nice bar.
outside.
So, but this bar has a pretty cool vibe. Drink's pretty good though. Blush Restaurant. Well, this is fancier than the other one. So we got a new table, so now we're going to try to find it. This guy's going to help us, so. Well, $5.75. Our new table.
We made it.
We
Table
almost,
for two.
yeah, instead of 6 or 8 or whatever they tried to give us. But, well, cool place. Claire has a view. I have a view too.
Aww.
Ah, yeah! Finally got our appetizer. Shrimp cocktail. Presented differently than Royal Caribbean. But, how is it? Good.
I only have shrimp, so.
She also got gluten-free bread, which took a little while.
Yeah.
But we got it. Shrimp okay?
Shrimp.
Shrimp cocktail.
No, I literally have shrimp.
Oh. You have no sauce.
Yeah.
Mine has a little bit of sauce. So we'll see how it tastes. Oh, it's about time. I don't even know what I got. Sweet and sour
Sweet
shrimp.
sour shrimp.
Huh. Fried rice. Oh. Salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon with mixed veggies.
Yeah.
What is that? Is that potato?
Yeah.
Looks pretty good. Sweet and sour shrimp. That looks pretty good though. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Dessert, I got butter pecan ice cream, 2 scoops. Looks like Claire got a fruit platter, but they're bringing her menu for tomorrow, so we could pre-order and get a special gluten-free meal for tomorrow.
Yes.
So, but she was able to get gluten-free bread. She had that during lunch today too. At least she got like different mixed fruit though. But butter pecan ice cream. Picked up some fries at the marketplace. Lido deck. And we got the Astros game up here. It's actually pretty crowded, man. There's people all over the place. So,
Game.
what are we at? Bottom of the second? Game 5. 1-1 Verlander. These fries are good though. Alright guys, back at the room. It's been a long day. Exhausted. So we're gonna call it a night. Start fresh tomorrow morning. Try to figure out what the rest of the ship looks like. But I think we got plans to get up and have coffee. So that's it for tonight. With that, catch you guys tomorrow. See ya. Bye.